Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 3.3 problems based on all silver teacups and trigonometry formulas, compound angles, multiples and submultiple angle formulas. We are going to solve exercise 3.3. So first problem is prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We have to prove it. So given sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 in the left hand side. So we know that sin pi by 6 means sin 30. Sin 30 degrees means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. Sin square is there. So that's why I am writing sin square. Next cos pi by 3 is there. That means cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. For this also square is there, so write square minus tan 45 value is 1. So 1 square. So this is 1 by 4 and this is also 1 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Next, second problem. Given 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 in the left hand side. So left hand side this is given 2 sin square pi by 6. We know sin 30 value is 1 by 2. But we don't know what is cosecant 7 pi by 6. Cosecant 7 pi by 6 means we can write like this. Pi plus pi by 6 whole square into cos square pi by 3. So 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant of 180 plus theta. This is in the form of cosec 180 plus theta. Cosec 180 plus theta is lies in third quadrant. So this is negative minus cosecant of pi by 6 whole square into cos square pi by 3. 2 into sin square pi by 6 plus minus cosec pi by 6 whole square means cosecant square pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Sin square 30 means 1 by 4 plus cosec 30 value is 2. Cosec square 30 value is means 2 square into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos square 60 is there. So that means 1 by 2 whole square. 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, which is our right hand side. 3 by 2. Next problem. Given left hand side is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant of 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. We have to prove this value is equal to 6. So cot pi by 6 means we know directly cot 30 value is root 3. Next, cosecant of 5 pi by 6 means how to simplify cosec 5 pi by 6 means we can write it as pi minus pi by 6. 6 into pi, 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6 we can write like this plus 3 tan square pi by 6. So cot square of pi by 6 plus cosecant, this is in the form of cosec 180 minus theta. So according to all silver teacups concept, this is in second quadrant. Cosecant of 180 means second quadrant. In second quadrant cosecant is positive. So cosec 180 minus pi by 6 is cosec pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Cot 30 means root 3. For this square is there, cot square is there. So that's why square plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 value is 2 plus 3 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Tan square is there. So that's why I am taking square. So square root gets cancelled. Here you will get 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So final answer is 3 plus 2 plus 1. So answer is 6. Next, if you come to fourth problem, 2 into LHS. 2 into sine square 3 pi by 4 is there, plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is there in the left hand side. So 2 into sine 3 pi by 4 means we can write it as pi minus pi by 4 whole square plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. We can write it as 2 secant square pi by 3. Next, sine of 180 minus theta. This is in the form of sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta is according to all silver teacups concept. This is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant sine is positive. So sine of pi minus pi by 4 is sine pi by 4 whole square plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. 2 into sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into cos 45 value is also 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into secant 60. Secant 60 value is 2 square. So secant 60 is 2 square. Secant square is there. So that's why write square. 2 into 1 by 2 plus this is also 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. So 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 plus 8. So which is equal to 10. Right hand side is 10. Next, find the value of sine 75 degrees. Second question is tan 15 degrees. So how to find sine 75 degrees means we know that sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So I want sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees means I can write it as 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. 45 plus 30. So x is 45, y is 30 degrees. Now replace x with 45. Sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. So sine 75 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So sine 75 degrees is equal to root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus here 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 root 2. So LCM is 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore sine 75 degrees value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, similarly tan 15 degrees is how much means we know that tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So we want tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees means we can write it as tan of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So in the place of x I am replacing 45, in the place of y I am replacing with 30. So tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. So tan 15 degrees is equal to 15 degrees is equal to tan 45 value is 1 minus tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 degrees is 1 into tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So in the numerator LCM is root 3. So you will get root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Next, in the denominator 1 plus 1 by root 3 we will get. So tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Again if you take LCM you will get root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancel. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If you rationalize this, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1, then we will get tan 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is 0. So a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab by square root gets cancelled. 3 minus 1 is 2. So tan 15 degrees is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 common in the numerator. So you will get 2 minus root 3 by 2. Therefore tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. Either we can write tan 15 degrees value as 2 minus root 3, or sometimes we will use this value also, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Tan 15 is either this value or this value, both are correct. Next problem, prove the following: cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin of x plus y. Here we know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y value is how much? Cos of x plus y. So otherwise if you take a plus b, cos of a plus b is how much? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So in the place of x plus y, if you take a and b, this is the formula. So assume this as cos of pi by 4, consider LHS, cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y. So consider this as a and this as b. Pi by 4 minus x is a, pi by 4 minus y is b. Now this is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b value equal to how much? Cos of a plus b. A value is pi by 4 minus x plus b value is pi by 4 minus y. So cos of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus x minus y. So which is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. If you take minus common, this is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Assume this as theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Theta means sin of x plus y, which is our right hand side. Next problem. Given tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x, we have to prove it equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. We know that tan of x plus y is equal to tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Similarly, tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So if you consider left hand side, how much is the tan of pi by 4 plus x by tan of pi by 4 minus x is there. So this is in the form of tan of x plus y, x plus y. So what is the formula? Tan x, that means tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So this is numerator by denominator is also in the form of tan of x minus y. Tan x minus y formula tan x minus tan y. Y means x by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Tan y means tan x here. So tan pi by 4 value 1. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus, this is also 1. 1 into tan x by 1 minus tan 45 is 1. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan 45 is 1. 1 into tan x. Next, so which is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So numerator is 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x is 1 plus tan x whole square by denominator is 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, which is equal to 1 minus tan x whole square. So we can write like this: 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Next problem, given left hand side cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. So according to R. Silver teacups concept, cos of pi plus x means cos lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. So this is equal to minus cos x. So cos of minus x is how much? Cos x by sin of 180 minus x lies in fourth quadrant, the second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So this is sin x into cos of 90 plus x is minus sin x. So minus cos x into cos x is minus cos square x by sin x into minus sin x is minus sin square x. Minus minus gets cancelled. Cos square x by sin square x is cot square x. Problem, cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x value, we have to prove it equal to 1. Consider left hand side. Left hand side, what is it? Cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x is there into cos of 2 pi plus x is there. Next cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x is there plus cot of 2 pi plus x is there. So we have to prove it. This left hand side value is equal to 1. So we know that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. So cos 270 plus x is sin x into cos of 2 pi plus x is cos x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cot is positive. Cot 270 minus x is tan x plus cot x. Cot x. So sin x into cos x into tan x means we can write it as sin x by cos x plus cot x means we can write it as cos x by sin x. So sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x into LCM is sin x into cos x. So cos x gets cancelled. This is sin square x plus this is cos square x. Sin x cos x, sin x gets cos x gets cancelled. We have sin square x plus cos square x. So this is equal to how much? 1, which is our right hand side. Next problem, prove that sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2x equal to cos x. We have to prove it. So consider LHS. What is LHS? Cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x is there plus sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x is there. This is left hand side. I wrote this first and this second. So we know that cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B. So according to this formula, assume this as A, n plus 1x as A and n plus 2x as B, n plus 2x as B. Now this is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is equal to cos of A minus B. A means n plus 1 into x minus B means n plus 2 into x. So cos of this is equal to nx plus x minus nx minus 2x plus nx minus nx gets cancelled. Cos of x minus 2x is minus x. So cos of minus x is cos x, which is our right hand side. Next problem, prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. Consider LHS. What is LHS? Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x. So this is in the form of cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b means cos a cos b minus sin a sin b minus cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So if you simplify this, how much we will get? Cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. If you multiply with minus cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. So this is plus cos 3 pi by 4 cos x, this is minus cos 3 pi by 4 cos x, gets cancelled. Minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x is there. So which is equal to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Minus 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 means we can write it as pi minus pi by 4 into sin x minus 2 into sin of 180 minus theta. This is in the form of sin 180 minus theta, which is equal to sin theta into sin x. So minus 2 into sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 into sin x. Root 2 times gets cancelled. So which is equal to minus root 2 sin x, which is our right hand side.